Unlock the true potential of Gemini AI by transforming it into an autonomous agent, and watch as it learns to solve problems and achieve goals independently. Step 1. Understanding the core at its heart. Gemini AI is a powerful language model, capable of understanding and generating human-like text to make it agentic. We need to give it a framework to act on that understanding. Step 2. Environmental interaction. An agent needs to perceive its surroundings. This means equipping Gemini with the ability to access and interpret information from its environment. Think of it like giving it eyes and ears it can now read web pages, look at data files, or check your calendar. Step 3. Goal-oriented processing. The key to agency is purpose. We define specific goals for Gemini. This could be anything from researching a topic to scheduling an appointment. The AI then uses its observational data to determine the best sequence of actions. Step 4. Tool integration. To achieve complex goals, Gemini needs to utilize tools. This involves connecting the AI to external services and applications. Imagine Gemini being able to use a search engine to find information, or a calendar application to book a meeting, all without explicit human instruction for each step. Step 5. Autonomous decision-making with observation, goal understanding, and access to tools. Gemini can now make decisions. It constantly evaluates its progress, adapts to new information, and chooses the most efficient path to achieve its objective, learning and refining its strategy over time. This iterative process of observing, thinking, and acting, powered by Gemini's intelligent processing and integrated tools, transforms it into a truly agentic system, an AI capable of independent operation and sophisticated problem-solving.